Let's take a look at this problem. We got 10 times 3x plus 1 cubed plus 6 3x plus 1 squared minus 16 and 3x plus 1. And okay, factor out the greatest common factor, simplify the factors if possible. First off, I notice here the numbers I got 10, 6, and 16. My largest number divides into those is 2, so I can bring a 2 out. This has 3x plus 1s. This one has 2, this one has 1. So I can bring out a 1, 3x plus 1. Now 10 divided by 2 is 5. I had 3 of these, so now I have 2. So I took 1 away. Plus, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And I had 2 of them. I took 1 away, so that leaves me a single one of them. Minus 16 divided by 2 is 8, and that's gone. Now this almost looks like it's quadratic in form. If I let u equal to 3x plus 1, then this would become 5, and I replace this with u, so this is 5u squared, plus 3, and I replace the 3x plus 1 with u, minus 8. I'm not sure if this is going to go anywhere, but we'll see. To factor that, if I take my number at the beginning times my number at the end, the key number method, because we got u squared, u, no u, and there's a number in front of the u squared. We got 40. And if we write down all products give us 40, we got 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, 5 times 8. Add them. 1 plus 40 is 41, 2 plus 20 is 22, 14, 13. Subtract them, smaller from larger. 40 minus 1 is 39, 20 minus 2 is 18, 10 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. And 3 is what we're looking for. So we use 5 and 8. So we're going to rewrite our middle term using these two numbers. The larger number we're using, which is 8, will always be the same sign as the middle term. So that's plus 8u. And since the number has circles in the difference column, D for different signs, it means if the 8 is positive, then the 5 will be negative. Okay, so factor by grouping. First group has a u in common, so I factor that out. That gives me 5u plus 8. This doesn't have anything in common, but first term's negative, so I'll factor out a negative 1. And that leaves me 5u plus 8. Should be a u there. So now they both have a 5u plus 8, so I'll factor that out. And that leaves us u minus 1. Now keep in mind, this is what our original u is equal to, so I plug that back in. So I'm going to have 5 times 3x plus 1 plus 8. And over here I'll have 3x plus 1 minus 1. So I'll plug it in for the u here too. Okay, so 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 8. 1 minus 1 cancels, so that gives us 3x. I'll put the 3x out in front, and I got 2 times 3x, which gives us 6x. 3x plus 1. And then 15x plus 13. Now you might look at that and say, well, how do I know when to stop? Seems like it went on forever. It says factor out the greatest common factor. Technically, you can stop right after you did that. But then it says simplify the factors if possible. And with factoring, what we always would like is we'd like everything to be written as a product broke down as much as we can. And that's what this is. This up here would not be broke down as much as possible because there's a plus and a minus here.